Hello everyone, here we are in our Peugeot 5008 demonstrator vehicle that we have here in Basingstoke. We've had a couple of questions about how to do kind of factory resets on the system, delete Bluetooth data and things like that, so I'm just going to go through that with you quickly. So on the screen that we've got here, and I do apologise for the light, we go to the little cog in the corner, and then down here we've got options, system settings, and then on here we've got factory settings. And now if we press reset on there, and apply factory settings, we want yes. You give that a moment. There we go, we've lost the radio. And it's just going through now. Now if we jump to, down on here we go to the telephone. And you see it's now no telephone connected. Normally I'd have my phone connected, so that is all cleared now. But if we go into options here and Bluetooth connection, it shows nothing in the list. So that's how we clear all that, which is also reset, and you will notice we're now in kilometers, because that's what the cars come out of the factory in. So to then reset that back into miles again, we need to jump into, and we go out of here, little cog in the corner, options, and then there'll be a few things that you want to go on to. Key one being system settings, and then going MPG in miles, and then setting your temperature how you want it. That one there. So yeah, and I'll while we're here, I'll quickly show you how to connect the phones again. So we're going on to the phone panel, you go onto Bluetooth search, and then you let it search. Once it's found your phone, you just click on it and it asks if you want to accept. Nice and simple. So yeah, thank you very much.